I saw a cloud. It looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard. The sky was velvet, stitched with gold, and time was a secret it never told. Who's hiding there in the silver mist? A phantom's hand or a lover's kiss? Whistle through the stars, sing to the moon, catch the night's breath in a quiet tune. Oh, whistle through the stars, carry me far to the edge of dreams where shadows are. A tree grew tall.